Namaste, my name is Nilima Joshi. I am a yoga instructor from Goa, and today we'll see how to do the Surya Namaskar and what kinds of mistakes we can avoid during Surya Namaskar. So let's begin. So let's understand what kinds of mistakes we are doing when we do the Surya Namaskar. These are the common mistakes which I have personally observed when people are doing the Surya Namaskar. That is the reason I've thought of explaining this in this video. So no one will repeat those mistakes. First thing, they are standing like this in between the mats. That is wrong. Okay, you need to stand at the beginning of the mat. When you stand at the in between the mats like this, when you are bending forward, taking the legs back, instead of taking the legs back, they will do like this. Namaskar position, they will bend back, they will take their hands forward like this, and then they will like this. This is completely wrong. So make sure you will do properly when you do the Surya Namaskar. The first thing, ignore standing in between the mats. Instead, stand at the beginning of the mat, so that when you look back, you can see the entire mat. Mistake number 2, when you are standing in between the mats, raise your hands up and then take your hands closer to your legs, not forward like this, and then take the legs back. These are giving the entire incorrect body position, first of all. So don't do like this. Now, mistake number 3. From here, we will go into Parvatasana. Okay, people will move their hands like this. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. एक बार आप लोगों ने हैंड और लेग्स का पोजीशन सेट कर दिया, then don't move your hands and legs. This is what the mistake number 3. Now, next one. From here you will come to plank, right? From plank से ऐसे करते. इतना हिप नीचे नहीं लेके जाना है. Keep your hips exactly aligned with your shoulder level. ठीक है? Then drop your knee down. Go forward, drop your chin down. Not like this. Don't keep your hip on the floor. This is wrong. Keep it like this. Keep your chest, chin on the floor, and then legs and knee on the floor, not your hip. Then when you go into Bhujangasana, another mistake. They'll go forward and they'll do like this. What is the leg position here? It is not pointing, it is relaxed. Your toe from here should go into the relaxed mode. Okay, then when you're going into the Parvatasana, then make a toe point and then go into Parvatasana. Then continue. Okay, please avoid doing these mistakes. Now remember one thing, whenever you do Surya Namaskar, you need to stand at the beginning of the mat. So when you look back, you can see the entire mat, and you can at least use the entire mat when you are doing the sun salutation, that is Surya Namaskar. First you have to be in Namaskar position, you have to bend back. You have to bend forward. If you are unable to reach your hands on the floor, make sure you fold your knee, keep your hands on the floor. Then take your left leg back, look straight. Try to push your hip down and look straight. Then bring your other leg back, go into the downward dog, that is Parvatasana. From here come to plank. Now drop your knee down, literally go forward and then drop your chin down. Make sure your hip should not touch the ground when you are into the Surya Namaskar position. From here, slowly relax your toe, go forward and then go into Bhujangasana. Again come back into the Parvatasana to complete the set. Bring your left leg forward, look straight. Remember one thing, whenever you took your left leg forward, backward first, at that time you will bring your left leg forward first. And then take your right leg, try to bend back and Namaste. This is how you can do the Surya Namaskar. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope everyone understood how to do Surya Namaskar in correct way and what kinds of mistakes we can avoid during Surya Namaskar. Namaste.